Good morning, dear students. Today we are here to study our first lesson of the main book. The name of the lesson is the last lesson. Mind it is the first lesson, but its name is the last lesson. This lesson has been written by Alphonse Daudet. Alphonse Daudet was a French short story writer, a novelist, a dramatist, and a poet also. He was born on 13th May 1840 in Nimes in France. His father was an industrialist, but later he closed his industry and moved to Paris. Mr. Alphonse Daudet started his career in Paris. Earlier, he was a school teacher, but later he became a journalist in Paris. And then he took to writing, and he became a famous short story writer. He wrote into a volume called Les Amorisses. His collections have been saved in his volume Les Amorisses. He passed away on 16th December 1897 at the age of 57 in Paris, France. Naturalism can be seen in his writings. Now we come to settings of this story. This story has been set in the years of Franco-Prussian War that occurred in 1870 to 1871 and in which the Prussian soldiers invaded France in the leadership of Bismarck and they conquered the districts of Alsace and Lorraine. When they conquered these two districts, an order was issued by the government of Prussia that in these two districts, Alsace and Lorraine, French would not be taught, and instead of French, the pupils would be taught German. Prussia at that time consisted of Germany, Poland, and some parts of Austria. When the order from Berlin came that the pupils would be taught German only and not French, the people of that land became very sad. Mr. M. Hamel was a French teacher and he too felt very sad. However, he gave the last lesson as sincerely as he issued his earlier lessons. The theme of the story is the importance of mother tongue. Mr. M. Hamel puts emphasis on the importance of mother language and he says that if the people would stick to one's language, they may regain their political freedom one day, it is sure, but the language should be preserved. We can see in this lesson that when an order from Berlin was issued that French would not be taught, it shows the mentality of the conquerors that they wanted not only to rule over the territory but also to rule over the minds and the hearts of the people of Alsace and Lorraine. They in a way, they wanted to make the people of Alsace and Lorraine as aliens on their own land. The people were, in a way, they were not being allowed to read their own language or to speak their own language. They were being enforced to study German and speak in German. Thus, we can see the pride of conquerors and how they wanted to make the territory not only their own but they also wanted to make the people of that territory their own people. Now, the students, we shall read the lesson in the next video. Thank you.